guys, this is Captain Candy, and we just want to share with you about our job. So we did this lovely steps for this lovely lady. So we're using park wall blocks and coping red mix, and we installed the Interlock 350. This is beige mix. Also we put there like 7 inches of base, 6 inches of gravel and 1 inch of HPB. The stone is 2.5 inches, and also we use the copings on the top, so it gives a little steps. It's easy to come inside of the house, and that's it. So the job is done within a day, and everything looks perfect. We use the polymeric sand, and I just want to get your opinion about our job and how we did the work.
Okay, yeah, Alex and his team done an excellent job. It was very good. They exceeded expectations, and it came in right on point with his price of the estimate. So, hard-working team, totally recommend, fantastic job. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
See you guys.